get into this makeup, I love Pond's. Pond's is my favorite moisturizer out there. Like, if you guys have not tried Pond's, you should really try it. It just leaves your skin feeling so amazing. Like, Pond's should really come up with like some lotion or like body cream. I don't know why they haven't. Like, that's a really untapped market for them. Like, Pond's, if you're watching this, I'm the first to say it. We need a body lotion, body cream, body butter, whatever. Like, we need that from you. And you see how it just made my skin glow? Like, oh my God, look at that. So today, I kind of want to do this routine. I don't know if I have it in this palette. I saw it on TikTok. Her name is Notori. If you guys know, she's a dark-skinned baddie that does her makeup and it's always flawless. But she did this eyeshadow routine. Well, she did this eyeshadow look that looked impeccable. So I'm gonna try it. I have to go find another one of my eyeshadow palettes to see if I have a yellow in it, because this one doesn't, but I'm pretty sure I have a yellow in one of my other palettes. So we're gonna recreate that look for the eyes, and then we're just gonna do my regular routine base. I lost my color corrector. No idea where it's at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color correct with my concealer for my under eyes because they're so dark. And then we're gonna do foundation and then, like, you know, my whole base. Let's get some primer on first. And I really love this Smashbox primer. It is the GOAT. Like, I know there's other primers out there, but honestly, when I wear this, I feel like my base is so flawless, like so flawless. Don't get me wrong, I do want to try other like poreless mattifying primers, but like this one, I just can't get away from. I'm telling you. And if you don't wear primer, you're missing out on how flawless your makeup could be. I know there's a lot of videos out here that be like, oh, primerless makeup, don't wear primer, don't wear. I'm telling you, you need to wear primer. Just a few dots. I think that's really the only place I'm gonna color correct today, since I can't find my freaking color corrector. Another technique I really want to try is underpainting. I feel like I have the products for that, but I don't know necessarily. I'll have to do some more research and then figure out what products I exactly need to underpaint, because I think my skin will look really great with underpainting. Make sure you take your time. If you have baggy eyes like me and creases, you have to take your time blending this out. A little trick, I don't know who I was watching, it was a long time ago, but a little trick long time ago that I learned was to look down. When you look down, that lifts your eyes up, and that way you get all the way under the creases. I'm gonna take this Maybelline foundation. I haven't worn this in so long. I've just been doing my concealer foundation with the e.l.f. I love it so much, but let's do this. I feel like it's a little lighter than what my color is right now. So I think that's why I've been going with the e.l.f. foundation. We could do a little mix of both. You know, I feel like this foundation really matches my skin, my chest a little bit more, so that's why I kind of go towards it. You know what? I've actually never did like a chest swatch. Let's see. No. Well, maybe. Yeah. See, that blended in so good with my chest. I think so. Right? I think it did. That's why I always go to this, but I feel like some people's foundation doesn't match their face because it's too light. And then me, like my chest is much brighter than my face. Like I have a darker face. I have a lot more hyperpigmentation in my face, a lot more dark spots. And that's the one thing I love about Maybelline. I've been using this foundation for years. Probably like when I first started doing my makeup. This was like the first thing I brought. And I just love these foundations. I've never really went to another drugstore foundation. I've tried a lot of foundations. I've tried like Lancome. I really liked Lancome. However, I can't remember what shade I had got when I first tried it. And I don't know, I just haven't went back. But I remember like I would get so many compliments. Fenty's foundation, really great. I would get so many compliments when I wear that foundation. I've had Juvia's Place foundation. I like that one. That was like the one that was like in a little tube. It was a little thick, so I always like had mixed that one whenever I would use that one with like a Maybelline foundation. And I feel like I've tried more foundations. I just can't remember, but like my go-to comeback is always Maybelline. All right, I think that is blended in pretty well. Have you guys tried these? This little drink, Poppy, so good. That's 4 grams of sugar, 25 calories. 2 of the flavors, watermelon and that one, because I love anything watermelon and strawberry. But let me tell you, if y'all see that out in the stores, grab it. It is good. Okay. I hate this little stick. I don't hate it, but like every time I go to my nose, like y'all see, you can never get a straight line. Now my nose is gonna like look crooked, whatever. I'll fix it. Oh, I can't wait to lose some more weight. I feel like I have the world's biggest double chin right now. So freaking big. Look at that. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Like, oh, I can't wait. You know, when you start losing weight, it'll show in your face first, and God, I can't wait. So proud of myself. It's been almost a full month. I have been working out. I've done this before, so I know weight loss is a journey and it takes time. And I'm gonna do it. One size setting powder. And I always set my laugh lines. I feel like that just makes like the makeup around my mouth stay longer. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I talk, and the more I talk, the more my freaking lines under my mouth show, and it's not cute. It's not cute. Okay, this is how we're gonna fix our nose. So we're gonna take the setting powder and we're gonna go just like that. Liquid blush from e.l.f. We're definitely gonna do one dot because this stuff is pigmented, honey. Oh. One dot is all you need, I'm telling you. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Just a little bit, whatever I had left on my brush on my nose, just a tiny bit. And we're gonna just bring that in. Look at me, looking so rosy. I like it, I like it. Look at that glow, honey. Yep. I'm just taking a little bit of like a pink eyeshadow and just kind of making that my base for my eyeshadow. I want it to kind of like just flow into the blush. We're gonna take a darker paint. We're just gonna put that in like the crease, the corner. Give it a little bit of depth. I have a yellow. I hope this is yellow. I'm excited. I'm also scared. I don't really do bright colors, but like it looks so good on her. I'm scared. Okay. Can you see it? I don't even know. Oh, don't tell me it's not that pigmented. Oh, there we go. Oh. That actually looks really good. Oh my God. I was scared. I was scared. Notori. Honey. I like this. yo, when she did not lie when she said yellow just makes the eyes pop, especially for dark-skinned girls. Like, let me put I'm lost for words. Let me put my mascara on and my lip so we can see the whole look. Because honey, look at this. Yo, and we're gonna take my NYX Butter Gloss because this is the holy grail. Can't go wrong with this.